We have the right people, the right products, and the right approach. That's why people buy from us. Here at Advanced Multimedia Solutions, we provide design, sales, and installation of high-value technology solutions. So we started in 2007. We had a passion for technology. We wanted to do something different. Everything was real cookie cutter or off-the-shelf boxed electronics, and we really wanted to provide a better end user experience, a better client experience for that technology need in the home and in the business. Other integrators were not providing the level of service that we knew that we could provide. And building that process and procedure really made all the difference in the world. That way there was no way for us to miss a step along the way or not deliver something that we had promised. Our first step is the discovery process, where we meet with our clients to understand their needs, their timelines, and their budgets. And we go through an in-depth process internally with our engineering team and our design teams to make sure that we're providing them with a proper and accurate timeline and budget. We do any size project from a basic installation of a TV all the way up to full-blown conference rooms and multi-room, multi-location buildings. Step 2 is our development process. So after the commitment's been made between us and the client, then we continue to move forward with our programming teams, our design teams, our engineering teams. We have an in-house testing facility that we call the lab, and that enables us to test every system end to end to make sure that when we deliver the system on site, that it all functions 100%. The third step in our process is called reveal. After we've fabricated everything in-house, we've tested and verified everything, we bring the systems on site and put the final touches on. We protect everything on the site or in the home to ensure that nothing gets damaged. We make sure that everything is wiped down and tested on site, and then we do the final reveal to the client. Show them how to use the system, how easy it is to use, and show them how exciting the new solution is. So our final stage is connection, and we want to look at this as a long-term lasting relationship. We're not looking to provide the solution and walk away. We have long-term partnerships with all of our vendors to ensure that we provide them with the best support available. We have a dedicated support team and service level agreements to ensure that we have proper support. The customer experience is very easy, very simple to follow. We take our time to really understand what our client needs are and make sure that the solution that we're providing matches or exceeds those needs. Our industry is very complex, but we have a well-established process to make it simple. We build long-lasting relationships, focus on quality work. We spend the time to understand our client needs and deliver the best possible user experience.